Changing your Metro PC's phone number for free.
Welcome. Today, we're going to be talking about how to change your Metro PC's phone number for free. This is a simple process that you can complete right from the comfort of your home.
What is Metro PCS?
Metro PCS, now known as Metro by T-Mobile, is a prepaid wireless carrier that is part of the T-Mobile USA, Inc. family. It offers a range of plans, all of which include unlimited talk, text, and varying amounts of high-speed data depending on the plan.
Can I change my phone number for free?
Yes, it is possible to change your phone number with Metro PCS. However, it's important to note that there might be a fee associated with this service depending on your circumstances and the last time you made a change to your account. In some cases, Metro by T-Mobile waives this fee, but it's always good to check with customer service first.
How can I change my Metro PC's phone number?
Here's a simple step-by-step guide on how to change your Metro PC's phone number. 1. Call Metro PC's customer service. Their number is 1-888-8-METRO-8, 1-888-863-8768. 2. Once connected, navigate through the automated system to reach a customer service representative. 3. Let them know that you're interested in changing your phone number. They'll guide you through the process. 4. Provide the necessary information. This may include your account number, the security PIN, and any other necessary details for verification. 5. After verification, the representative will help you change your number. Remember, it's important to check if there's any fee associated with changing your number. If there is, inquire whether it can be waived.
What do I do after changing my number?
After successfully changing your number, make sure all your personal contacts are updated with your new number. Also, any online services or apps that were linked with your old number should be updated to avoid any inconvenience. And there you have it. A simple guide on how to change your Metro PC's phone number for free. If you follow these steps correctly, you should have your number changed in no time. Always remember to consult with customer service to understand the implications of changing your number, including any potential fees. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful.